Good day, everyone. Our lesson for this morning is about volume. Volume is the amount of space inside a space figure. It is measured in cubic units. The most common of which are cubic centimeters or cm cube and cubic meters or m cube. Cubic centimeters is used to measure smaller objects like shoebox, dice, and other small objects, while cubic meters is used to measure bigger objects like container van, swimming pool, and water tanks. Take a look at the picture. Are you familiar with this? Correct. This is a cube. A cube has 3 dimensions. We have the length, the width, and the height. Ang length, width, and height ay tinatawag ding sides ng isang cube. Ang sides ng isang cube ay pare-pareho ang kanyang sukat. Ano kaya ang volume ng cube na ito kung 3 centimeters ang kanyang sukat? Very good. 27 centimeter cube. Tanong, paano mo po nakuha ang sagot na 27 centimeter cube? Yan po ang pag-aaralan natin ngayong umaga. Pero bago po natin simulan ang ating klase, ano nga ba ang mga dapat gawin bago tayo magsimula? Tama. Una, tumahimik. Pangalawa, makinig. Pangatlo, matuto. Tara, atin nang simulan ang ating aralin ngayon. Ito ay tungkol sa pagkuha ng volume of a cube. In finding the volume of a cube, we use the formula V equals S times S times S. V stands for volume and S stands for sides. Let's try sample number 1. Find the volume of this cube which has 2 centimeters as its sides. Remember, we are just going to use the formula for us to get the correct answer. So for number 1, we're going to write first the formula V equals S times S times S. Then, after that, we are going to substitute 2 times 2 times 2, that is the side of the cube. Then, multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. Yung unang dalawa munang number ang imumultiply mo para hindi ka masyadong mahirapan. Then, pag nakuha mo na ang product or yung sagot ng unang dalawang parehong numero, tsaka mo pa yon imumultiply yung isang natitira. So, in this case, 4 times 2 equals 8. So, for question number 1, the answer is 8 centimeter cube. Naintindihan po ba? Maliwanag po ba? For question number 2, find the volume of a cube whose sides is 8 centimeter. So, sa number 2, ang gagawin po natin ay diretso na. So, kumbaga this is for medyo marunong nang mag-multiply kaagad. Hindi yung dalawa lang, diretso na kaagad sa pangatlo. Okay? But we are going to still follow the rules. Write the formula first. V equals S times S times S. Then after that, substitute. V equals 8 times 8 times 8. Then multiply agad. 8 times 8 is 64. Then 64 times 8 is 512. So for question number 2, the answer is 512 centimeter cube. Do you have any questions? Kung wala na po, let's try to answer exercises number 1 and number 2. I will give you time to answer this, but you are going to show your solution. Are you ready? Let's go! Nakuha ba ang tamang sagot? Congratulations sa mga nakakuha ng tama. Doon naman sa hindi pa, more practice. Mag-practice sa bahay para pagdating sa school ay marunong na po at kaya nang makipagsabayan sa mga kaklase. That's it for today. For my next video, we're going to have finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Pero bago po yun, huwag pong kalimutan mag-likes, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Presi Varona. Bye!